Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tammy, Fashion and Lifestyle by Tammy. If you're new here, welcome. On this channel, I create fashion content, travel content, and lifestyle content. If this is any of the things you like to see or watch, then you're definitely on the right channel. Please do go to subscribe, like, share, comment, and you know what? Let's just enjoy ourselves on here. I know some of you know me as Tammy, the corporate 9 to 5 girly. I know some of you also know me as Tammy Signatures, the makeup artist. And of course, I know some of you know me as Fashion and Lifestyle by Tammy, which is the content creator. Yeah, I know I wear so many hats. And today I'm just going to be gisting with you how I'm able to juggle these three things together. Trust me, it's no easy feat. Sometimes it's very chaotic. Other days I'm just resting on God's strength to, move and do all of this together. But I'm just going to be sharing with you how I juggle these three parts of my life together. Truly, it sounds like really glamorous and you got all your shit together and stuff. But trust me, some days it's really chaotic and other days we are just moving on God. So let's start with the 9 to 5 corporate girl, Tammy. So usually I work from home. Most times I work from home. I'm an agile coach, and the only time I walk into the office is if we have team meetings, and also if I have a workshop to facilitate and things like this. But most of the time I really work from home, and trust me, it can be very boring at times and it can be very soothing and satisfying because my bed is just really next to me. As part of my 9 to 5, I also get to travel a whole lot. Since this is a business trip, this corporate girl uses the first class coach.
So hi guys, in the history of Deutsche Bahn, as in this train came right on time. I mean, disbelief, but it is what it is. I'm so happy. We are on our way now to Berlin. Got a couple of work to do outside. I will also try to take a nap. Hopefully I can vlog while I'm in Berlin. One last shot and I'm done. I'm actually running very late. I have an appointment, but I'm going to the appointment first, then to the office. It's gonna be a long day. If I can vlog, I will. But otherwise, this is my 9 to 5 life. So hey guys, I just finished right now and I'm so exhausted. Like what? It's really late, but yeah.
Now let's talk about makeup. To be honest, I think makeup is very dear to my heart. It's something that I really love to do. It's really my first love. I started doing this when I was in Nigeria, even though I don't do it often anymore in Germany. But every time I get to hold my brush, it's like, magic is about to happen. And I honestly love that part of me. And so most of the time I do makeup is when I am not working or when I have free time, or mostly weekends when there's party. I'm able to do makeup for people. And now I have a car, so I can easily move around to my clients' places, or they come to my house, whichever one works for us. But most of the time it's Monday to Friday it's the corporate girl, and in between also a content creator, and then most weekend then I become a makeup artist.
So we're set. This is my setup. I just brought my table.
Then there is content creation. I'm able to do this because I work from home, as you already know. So sometimes I'm really setting up my house or recording myself when I'm at the gym, or just normal lifestyle, or when I travel. But most of the time when I'm shooting content at home is when I don't have meetings. And trust me, I actually thought this content creation thing was like really easy until I started doing it. The whole stress of having to edit, the number of takes you have to do. Like I have so many blog posts, like very funny ones. As you all know, I know some of you know me as the 9 to 5 corporate girly. Some of you know me as makeup. Trust me, content creator it's really not easy. After shooting, you have to rearrange your house, and then you have to start thinking about to edit. Oh my god, and I've not started making money, guys. It's a whole lot, but it just feels like for me I'm building something that is mine, because I know one day this money, this also is gonna pay, but I really enjoy it. It's also a way for me to let people view into my world, because I love fashion, I love traveling. It's a way for you to experience the other parts of the world through my lens, and also explore or express my fashion to the to a wider audience. Not just something I do in my room as play dates anymore, but something I really enjoy doing and I enjoy sharing. So that's why you see me here most of the time. Even when I don't feel like it, I show up, because one, I know I'm trying to build up something, and another thing, I'm trying to, you know, let people see fashion through me and how I express my fashion sense, right? And how I really do this fashion thing by myself. So I really do enjoy content creation. I know it's not one of the easiest things to do, especially when you are not getting paid yet, but honestly, that's a drive and I love it. And that's why I really enjoy when you all drop comments for me, because it keeps me going. It's the drive, that is the fuel that drives the engine for me. So please do drop a comment for me to just encourage me on here. So yes, this is me, corporate girl by day, makeup artist by act, and a content creator on a journey. So come with me on this journey and let's see how much we are able to build together. Because by myself, I cannot do this. It takes a whole village. I need you, you need me, we all need each other to go on this journey. So if you're just like me, balancing multiple passions together, no, you are not alone. You're building something. Keep showing up, keep doing it. One day, also go pay. And that's it for today. Thank you all for joining. Thank you all for staying glued. Until the next time we see, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, and bye for now. Time